Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacology for GPAT step by step. Start by outlining the entire syllabus, then divide it into organ systems and drug classes to create manageable modules. Set daily goals and use active recall with concise summary cards to reinforce memory. Schedule spaced repetition reviews and practice application with case-based questions to link mechanisms to therapeutic choices in a practical, exam-ready way. Use techniques that maximize retention and speed. Prioritize mechanisms, indications, contraindications, and key adverse effects for each drug class. Build mnemonic devices and visual maps to connect related agents and pathways. Regularly practice past GPAT-style questions under timed conditions to improve recall under pressure. Review wrong answers immediately and convert mistakes into concise flashcards you will revisit with spaced repetition to ensure lasting understanding. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips and guides. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof meal prep containers to save time and avoid distractions during long study sessions. They make snacking and meals effortless. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Select a primary textbook for deep understanding and a concise review book for rapid revision. Replace passive reading with active methods, question banks, teaching peers, and timed practice sessions. Structure a weekly schedule with clear milestones and buffer days for consolidation and catch-up. Track progress with measurable outcomes and adjust focus to weak areas. This approach keeps momentum steady and reduces last-minute cramming stress before the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.